Halo semuanya, perkenalkan nama saya Siti Nurfaiza dengan NIM 2410918085 dengan kelas Sater B. Saya di sini akan memenuhi tugas, yaitu tugas video bahasa Inggris. Selamat menyaksikan ya. That morning, Nova had just moved to a new city. She had to adapt to a different environment at first. She found it difficult, but she realized that if she wanted to thrive, she needed to learn to adapt. On her first day, she counted her money and wondered if she could afford all her living expenses. So she began to organize a shopping list and essential supplies. Fortunately, a neighbor was willing to help by providing information about the nearest market. While walking, Nova tried to avoid busy streets because she wasn't used to it. She tried to behave politely whenever she met people on time. She had to borrow a pen from a new friend. That's where a warm conversation began. Nova then compared prices of goods in several stores. It turned out that some were cheaper, while others were more expensive. When she felt the prices were too high, she wanted to complain, but she chose to consider them first. Finally, she politely conveyed her opinion to the seller. When asked about her moving experience, Nova began to describe her difficulties. She also discovered that many people in the city were actually friendly. Some of her new friends were even willing to encourage her to be more confident. That evening, she tried to explain to herself what she had learned that day. She expressed her gratitude in her diary. She wanted to improve her daily habits. For example, being more disciplined. Nova began to make a list of activities that included studying, working, and socializing. She promised to maintain her health and, of course, to manage her times. Recently, she also paid more attention to the little things she had previously overlooked. The next day, she prepared herself with enthusiasm. While chatting with her friends, she suddenly realized how valuable her new experiences was. She even recommended several great places to friends who had just arrived in town. With each passing day, she became more confident that she could become more accurate in her decision making. She also learned about the history of the city, which is full of ancient buildings. She sometimes felt anxious, but she remained aware that anxiety was normal. To stay motivated, she stuck to the basics. She enjoyed meeting brilliant people, which made her more confident. The city turned out to be convenient, even though it felt unfamiliar at first. Nova was always curious, so she loved exploring. She was amazed by the delicious objects in the museum, even though they were quite distant. All of this made her even more eager to learning. The next day, she decided to take a walk around the city park. She saw children playing, elderly people strolling leisurely, and some students studying on the park benches. The atmosphere made Nova feel calm. Certain opened her small notebook and began writing down new ideas about what she wanted to do in the city. She was also impressed by the city's efficient service. She easily met familiar people on the street, many of whom were friendly, and most were honest from them. Nova learned to be more independent while remaining polite. Eventually, she realized that her friends in the city were very reliable. Now she feels that her journey wasn't just about moving cities, but also about finding the courage to change.